Hi guys, Brit Tech here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a picture inside of a picture or a picture inside of a clip, a video clip in iMovie. So first what you're going to do is you're going to have your project open, and then, sorry about that, and then you're going to go to wherever you have the picture stored. For me, it would be in Downloads. Going to select the picture and drag it on top of the clip you want it to be in. And you wait until that little green plus sign shows up. Once it does, you can drop it. And then go over here. Click this little square at the top. Right there. And then what you have to do is, instead of cutaway, you're going to select picture in picture. And so there you go. Now the picture's in the picture. You can crop it to whatever size you want. Let's see. I think that's about good. And there you have it. Once you are finished, let me get this out of the way. Okay, once you're finished, go ahead and select that blue check mark, and voila, you're finished. Hope that helps.